Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be getting all the cars out of storage, get them ready for summer, give you guys an update on all the cars that we have for 2023. A couple of them have changed since we did this last time, so stick with us as we go through all the cars. Alright guys, here's the rundown of our current car collection. Still have the Toyota Back to the Future truck and still looking cool. If you guys have been following for a while, you've seen this on the channel when we did the Back to the Future Marty McFly truck build. If not, check the description for a bunch of links. We'll have them all in there. But yeah, we've just been enjoying this one for the last year and a half. So Toyota is still in the garage, and then the trusty Bronco. We've had this for a little over a year and a half now, since the fall of 21. And we finally have our Venom Rex wheels Last year at this time we didn't have those quite yet. Then we've done a few little things here and there. We got the Wild Track grill there. We replaced that. And then we've done a few things like the rocker panel guards. And this does have the Zone 2-inch lift on it. But yeah, it's been a good vehicle for us. Used it a lot in the winter with the 4-wheel drive. Haven't done a whole lot of off-roading with it, but still a fun truck in the summer with the top off. Alright guys, so here's our first car that we didn't have last year at this time, the Tesla Model Y long range. And we're about 5 months into EV ownership. We're still gonna get a driving review of this thing in here a couple weeks for you guys. But yeah, overall we've had pretty good experience with the EV life so far, but there's definitely some things that you have to get used to. Alright, and the oldest car in the collection at 2 years, can you believe that? The longest car we've had here is 2 years old. The trusty Porsche Boxster, one of the best sports cars. I still say this thing is one of my funnest cars. If you guys haven't test driven a Porsche or a Boxster or a Cayman, 911s are good too, but they're just such a well-balanced sports car with that mid-engine, with the PDK. I'm sure they'd be a blast with the manual transmission too. But just an all-around super fun car. And the last one, guys, this is the other car that we didn't have last year at this time. We had the C8 and sold the C8, and we picked this up. Had this for almost a year now, and it's my favorite car out of all 5 by far. The 350R is just a super special car. It is just, you just can't believe that a Mustang can be this good of a car until you drive one. The 350s were great because I had one of those for a brief time, but the R is on another level. The carbon fiber wheels, the resonator delete from the factory gives it even a crazier sound, and it just looks sinister in that black paint. Tough to keep clean, but it does look menacing. Alright guys, so that's a rundown of the 5 cars that we have in our garage as of April 2023. You never know what's going to pop up in the garage, so stay tuned for the next vehicle. I'm sure there'll be a new one in the garage before you know it. But until then, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.